Out double red flags now. That means that you cannot enter the ocean. That's just how treacherous beach conditions are today. This isn't the type of snow that you would create a snowball with. This is powdery snow. It's not packing snow. You're not going to be able to go outside and make a snowman, and that's because it is so cold. We do have a tornado warning out right now. It is radar indicated rotation, but you can see this hook signature, and that's really what we look for on radar.
Tonight we have team coverage for you on that major wildfire.
It looks ominous. Ed always calls these SLCs. That stands for scary looking cloud. These are not tornadic. This net behind me down, so maybe not a great day for volleyball, obviously. Not a great day for a lot of things outdoors in Myrtle Beach. There's not a lot of people on the beaches. You're already seeing the tide come up from our Murrells Inlet cam. A lot of this grass already being covered out on Goat Island. I feel like this is the time of year that South Carolina does not know its identity. It's like, I'm not sure if I want spring yet, but now I want winter again. It's just going back and forth.
And we're close to another daylight savings change.
Yes, and meteorological spring next Saturday. Today we have colder air behind a cold front that came through last night, so we're not seeing that smoke go high up into the atmosphere. It won't. The southeast has the most mosquito days of any region per year, making up 60% of the year, followed by the deep south with half of the year being mosquito days. Now, since 1979, mosquito days in Myrtle Beach and Florence have been growing due to the changing climate.
With high temperatures in the mid-70s. And hi, Jenna. Here's the forecast for those of you inland.
In 2024, we saw 11 hurricanes. That is above average. And there's two reasons for this. First, it is the emergence of La Nina later in the season. And second, it is that ocean warming.
It's very interesting because apparently those are like spinning sharks is what we have learned.
The shark jumped?
Yes. Didn't it? It flew
Were we in the same place?
I don't think
We're
so.
going to talk about this. It could even form into a tropical depression or a tropical storm as early as tonight. The atmosphere is layered like a cake as you go down, looking at it like a 2D plane.
I don't know if anybody's a better embodiment of the hurricane hustle than our Jenna Warner, maybe besides Ed. We'll give him that.
I would say Ed.
But then you ran the race, and obviously being a meteorologist, first off, congratulations on running. How'd you do? How's it feel?
I did pretty well. I mean, I had a calf cramp like halfway through, so that wasn't amazing, but I got about the time that I was going for. Showers and storms from Chantal are already making their way through the area as they have throughout today. Now, because these are tropical showers and storms, they do pack a lot of rain in even just a short period of time. These are definitely some heavy downpours we're talking about, even if they don't look like it on live Doppler 15,000. Now, let's head through everything that we're expecting with Chantal in a second, but first, we're mapping out what's expected for its track. So as of right now, Chantal has maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour, and it is starting to move. Earlier today it was pretty stationary. Now it is moving north at 7 miles per hour. It is forecast to make landfall somewhere between Charleston and Myrtle Beach, and that will be early tomorrow morning as a tropical storm. Once it moves over land, it'll weaken very quickly into a tropical depression. That's sometime around tomorrow afternoon. And then by early Monday morning, it is a remnant low over the border belt and into eastern North Carolina, fully breaking up. So once the system reaches land, it will weaken very quickly. Timeline of events through Sunday night. Tonight, we have increasing showers and storms. Some heavy rain is possible, and we'll start to see some breezy to even gusty conditions. By tomorrow morning, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour are possible. Scattered showers and storms to even numerous showers and storms continue into tomorrow morning. So tonight into tomorrow morning, that's the rainiest and the windiest time of this event. And then we see scattered showers and storms for Sunday afternoon, breaking up a little bit. We'll see little pockets of sunshine here and there, still breezy with wind gusts up to 30. And then Sunday night activity starts to diminish by the overnight, still a little breezy at times. As far as the rain, west of I-95, we're expecting anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain. On the east side of I-95, anywhere between 2 to 4 inches, but isolated amounts of 6 inches of rain are possible. Because this is a tropical system, we could see some minor local flooding, especially in areas that are low-lying and prone to flooding with this tropical system. Just a lot of moisture in the air. Talking about wind now for the PD and the border belt, we could see wind gusts between 20 and 30 miles per hour across the PD and on the border belt. The windiest part of this system will be at the coast, and actually the immediate coast will receive the most wind. The Grand Strand seeing anywhere between 30 and 40 mile per hour gusts, but we could see an isolated gust above 40 miles per hour. The highest winds with this system will be offshore. The beaches will be very dangerous this weekend. We will still see high rip current risks tomorrow, and we could see some minor coastal flooding, especially on either side of our high tides tomorrow. 1 to 3 feet of coastal flooding is possible for the Grand Strand. There's also a tornado risk for those in the northeastern section of our area, pretty much the North Strand, parts of the northeastern PD and the eastern border belt. It's a very low risk and it has already begun. It heads through tomorrow afternoon. Now let's time out everything. This model isn't perfect. The models haven't been handling things very well, but still, let's go through it. Midnight, we have a lot of showers and storms moving in from offshore. 6 a.m., a lot of showers and storms, and again, localized flooding will continue to be an issue with that massive rain moving through the area. Sunday afternoon, showers and storms scattered across the area. That low is continuing to push into eastern North Carolina, and by 8 o'clock on Sunday, still we have a few bands working their way through the area. Overall, your 10-day forecast for the Grand Strand, we have scattered showers and storms on the map from Tropical Storm Chantal through Sunday, tapering off Sunday night. By Monday, we are back to our summertime pattern. We have an isolated chance of a shower or storm Monday and Tuesday, and we are hot with temperatures in the upper 80s, lows in the upper 70s through the week. Your 10-day forecast inland, again, we are back to our summertime pattern by Monday. We're back to the 90s by Monday afternoon, 96 on Tuesday, mid-90s really through Thursday, with a few chances of showers and storms, especially in the afternoons and evenings by Wednesday into Thursday and Friday.